Good morning again.
How to remove the front tire of X-ADV750. Ito pakita ko sa inyo. How to change tire. First thing to do, you put the stand under here. Maybe this crash bar, you put the stand here. Okay? You need the tools like 12mm socket. This one. And then the ratchet. Okay? And also you need 17mm Allen wrench for here. Okay? And here. Before you remove the nut and also the axle, make it sure that if you put it back with the mark here, look at the mark. There is a mark white and then also the mark white here. First thing to do, you remove this one. Okay, and next, this one. If you feel hard to remove this one, maybe you have an extension. I mean this one, for extension, this one here. So that easy to remove, like this one. I remove the axle, okay. Oh, nice. Actually, this is my first time to remove this front tire of X-ADV. Oh no, how to remove the caliper? So maybe here. Okay, I can pull out the front tire because of the caliper. So maybe I could remove this one. We need 14mm socket for the caliper bolt. This one. We need to put a mark here so that if we put it back, the bolt not over torque. This one. Also. Okay, the caliper removed already. We will try to remove the front tire. First, I remove the axle. Okay, then try. Oh, nice. This is my first time. Okay, we're going to vulcanizing to replace the tire. Look at that. First, I remove this one, this part, the 12mm bolt, and then the axle, 17mm Allen, and this caliper. Not the two calipers, but only one. Okay? And then, pull out the front tire. Nice. Okay, we're here in vulcanizing shop to replace the tire. This is Batlux AX4 T1S front ADV tire. You know. So need this one so that the mugs protected from scratch. So kailangan talaga yan para sa mugs ba? May bayad din sa kanya eh. Ibili ko na lang ng tools. Okay, new tire na kabit na. Okay, we have new tire, so everything is back to normal. Fixed already. Please check the tire if there is a wiggle like this one. And also check the caliper is in the right position. The right caliper also. And also the markings, this one. Okay, the white mark is okay. This one is okay. And the other one is okay. Oh, I forgot the 12mm bolt. Sorry. And last to put in the 12mm bolt, this one. And everything is okay. The white mark, okay. Make it sure do not over torque everything, every bolt. Nice. We made it. If you like my tutorial video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.